Now let's print together hello world using JavaScript in the console. I'm using Chrome, that means JavaScript engine is V8. To do that, you can just type alert and then write in it hello world. Let's go, enter. As you see, there is this pop-up window telling us hello world and the domain is youtube.com. Now what I want to do is to log hello world on the console. To do that, you just type console.log, then you type in it hello world and you enter it. And as you see, it logs hello world into the console. Now the last and final thing that I want to do is to replace this code.log here with hello world. To do that, you just inspect it. So you select it and right click on it, inspect. You want to grab the ID, which is this text, and the YouTube formatted string. So let's now call the document object, and on it we write query selector, and we want to be sure that we are grabbing the right element. Okay, so as you see, this is the element that we want. The console in Chrome kind of helps us and give us this hint here, so that's what we need. So now what I want to do is .inner text or inner HTML. Inner text would be even better, so let's use inner text and be sure that we are assigning it to hello world. Now before I click enter, just keep your eyes on code with Jad here. Here we go, this one. Now I will click enter and as you see, hello world instead of Jad. That's the magic of JavaScript. So be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel to be a better developer, and see you in the next video.